Okay, so I'm gonna try to push through this map. Actually, for the class purposes, Julie, you might be best for polarity.
Okay, I'm gonna ground, and I definitely need to hydrate.
Good. And everybody in the room, you might want to, again, I check myself on average maybe 3 times an hour. When I'm working, keep hydrated because, again, you'll learn better. If you need to add anything to your water, though, sometimes that helps, like electrolytes or love.
So polarity. Polarity, the importance of a polarity is distinguishing the information that's coming in is
You're going to reach out to them.
correct and or incorrect information. So if our polarity is congruent with the energy flowing up and down, then we get correct information. If it's incongruent and there's block and it's turned upside down, then we're not going to get the correct information. So to check your polarity, your hand goes on top of your head with your palm facing down, and this signifies is the strength. Is strength.
It should be strong.
It should be strong, or you may feel in your body a pull forward.
I'm going to touch the crown because physically it's a little bit stronger. And some people will check. Remember, I'm just a muscle check. So some people can check with this position here. So if I put my hand on top of my crown and I try to push really hard, it stays strong.
Yeah, everybody can try that.
That you should be on. You all should be on, actually. Yeah.
Conversely, if you turn your hand upside down, and this is a weaker position, you may feel your body lean back. Again, if you muscle test with your finger, you don't have strength in your finger.
It gets weaker.
That's weak.
The top of your head should be a positive polarity, like on a battery, positive. Our bottoms are generally negative. So our feet are usually negative, crown is positive. Our hand, basically, this is negative, and this is positive. So technically with the magnets, and this is less about polarity right now, we're just getting magnetism a little bit. Whee! Okay. When we pull this together, it's strong, right? This way, and it just clicks like that. That's you doing this. So that should give you physical strength. That's that pull. Yeah. When you flip it upside down, the other way, and you get that resistance, because this is right. You're trying to push the two positives together. Yeah.
This is cool.
Right. So you're getting that same. This is a way to read your body. Okay. So even if you get this on a subtle level, it's good for now. Just know that if you're not getting a read, I'm going to tell you the best fix that's not on the map. Yeah, go ahead. Aren't you glad you came?
Yes.
Yeah. Some of you know this actually, but you don't know that you know it. You put yourself in the highest light position. Usually that's a place for me. If I can't get my polarity on, I know I'm in the wrong place. Usually. Go ahead. What's your aha?
In a situation where you may not be in the right place, then you can use other tools to correct the polarity.
Correct. Yes. Okay, good. So good enough for this level. I'm hearing, feeling. Okay, so we have the top of your, so this is positive and this is negative. So like the magnets, when you put this should be strong. And when you flip it, this is positive and this is positive. So it's like the magnet's doing this.
So back here is positive.
More positive relationship-wise. This is relationship, by the way. But yes, so this is, hold on, so positive, negative. And the negative, I don't know if you all know this or not in physics, but the negative side actually is what feeds the electrons in. That's less important. But yeah, so this is positive. So positive to positive, it'll get weak because it just does. The electromagnetic flows in there. Yeah, there is a flow in the universe, but if we're going to talk about physics, in physics, electrons, this is the positive side and this is the negative side. So I think, yes. When something has the negative polarity feeds the electrons. That's where the electrons flow out of, and the positive receives. So this is our this is our receptor, and this is our giver in relationship. Okay. So that's why you see me doing this a little bit. Receiving. So usually we're receiving this way, and we're giving this way. We give that way. Or there's other ways to give, which we'll go into, but not now.